Guten Tag, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Austrian Car Guy. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore a true classic in the automotive world, the first generation Cadillac Seville. Join me as we unravel what made it special, its design features, rivals, and the standout elements that defined this luxury sedan. Before we dive into the details, take a moment to appreciate the elegance of the first-gen Cadillac Seville. Introduced in late '75, this luxury sedan marked a departure from the traditional Cadillac styling. So what set the Seville apart? Cadillac Seville was a pioneer in downsized luxury cars. At the time when bigger was often considered better, Cadillac dared to challenge the norm by offering a more compact, or as they phrased it, internationally sized, nimble and fuel-efficient luxury sedan. What made the Seville truly unique was its European-inspired design. Cadillac aimed for a more sophisticated and refined appearance, drawing inspiration from European luxury cars. This departure from the typical American aesthetic was a bold move that resonated with many. Despite its success at home, the Seville faced challenges in making a significant impact in the European market as desired by Cadillac. The Seville was a departure from the traditional Cadillac approach, focusing on quality over sheer size. The attention to detail in craftsmanship, material, and overall build quality set a new standard for American luxury cars. However, in my opinion, this statement hasn't aged as gracefully. Over the years, many parts that have been constructed from plastic have become brittle. And unfortunately, these components are challenging to source, especially here in Austria or in Europe in general. But I've got plans for that, which I will show in future videos, as well as the quirks and features of this car. So stay tuned for that. Now let's talk about the distinctive design features that made the Cadillac Seville a head-turner. One of the defining features were the taillights that added a touch of sophistication to the rear of all Cadillacs. However, when it came to the Seville, they opted for a unique approach that was widely embraced. This design not only complemented the car's sleek and modern appearance, but also received positive acclaim. Nevertheless, we Europeans encounter restrictions that pose challenges in incorporating red turn signals seamlessly. Interestingly, various European countries exhibit some flexibility and variations in interpreting and implementing this rule. In Austria, regulations specify that the brake lights must be red and the simultaneous use of the brake light and turn signal is not allowed. While some suggest that a single vehicle permit might offer a possibility, it's commonly believed that for vehicles produced after 1969, you have to be aware of the potential challenges associated with non-compliance. From its subtly curved fenders to the carefully sculpted body lines, the Seville exuded a sense of grace and refinement. The clean, uncluttered design contributed to its timeless appeal. The front grille of the Seville was a work of art, featuring a distinct egg-crate pattern that added a touch of luxury. But yet again, a brittle plastic piece. While the Seville aimed for a unique position in the luxury market, it did have some rivals. Let's take a look at a couple of them. The Lincoln Versailles was one of the Seville's notable competitors. Both cars aimed to capture the growing market for smaller luxury vehicles, but each brought its own distinct style to the table. In the global luxury market, the Cadillac Seville found itself competing with European counterparts like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Jaguar, etc. In fact, Cadillac went so far as to draw comparisons in their own brochures, showcasing the Seville alongside prestigious European models like the Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL, Mercedes 280, Volvo 164, Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, BMW 3.0 SI, BMW 530i, Jaguar XJ6L and XJ12L. It was a bold move for Cadillac to position itself against these established brands. As mentioned earlier, Cadillac struggled to establish a significant presence in the European market as originally envisioned. Now let's explore some of the standout features that made the Seville a luxurious driving experience. Step inside the Seville and you were greeted by a somewhat spacious and opulent interior. Plush velour or leather seats, fake wood grain accents, though now viewed as somewhat dated, once exuded a certain luxury. Despite the evolving perspective on these accents, the Seville's interior boasted advanced features for its time, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable ride. From the convenience of side marker lights to power windows and seats, along with the automatic climate control and automatic level control, the Seville incorporated cutting-edge amenities that added to the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the Seville boasted fuel injection technology, a cutting-edge feature at the time. This not only improved fuel efficiency, but also contributed to a smoother and more responsive driving experience. As highlighted in the previous video, this feature was once considered top-notch. However, in today's landscape, its reliability has diminished significantly. The challenge lies in the inability to diagnose issues, and acquiring certain parts has become a formidable task, with some components being nearly impossible to obtain. Now let's delve into a key aspect I haven't discussed yet: the Cadillac platform, a rear-wheel K-platform. Some people refer to the Seville as a luxury Nova, as its platform is essentially a stretched X-platform of iconic models like the Chevy Nova, Pontiac Phoenix, Oldsmobile Omega and Buick Skylark. It's worth noting that the K-platform is closely related to the F-platform of the Camaro and Firebird, creating a fascinating interconnected lineage with many shared components like steering linkage and front suspension. The first-generation Cadillac Seville, a groundbreaking blend of American luxury with European flair. Its unique design, commitment to quality, and daring departure from tradition set the stage for a new era of luxury cars. If you have any stories or memories of the Cadillac Seville, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay tuned for more automotive explorations here on That Austrian Car Guy. Drive safe, take care und bis zum nächsten Mal.